I have a special guest helping me pick up this pallet today, my cousin David. I always want to say when I introduce you, the groom's brother David. I bought another pallet. It's been a while. It's been since that terrible pallet that I spent $2,500 on, and it was all shoe dazzle. I spent $2,300 on this as Dave is the proof. I did see some really good stuff in it though.
Wait, how did you see it?
Because they have pictures on the website that you can kind of, you don't see everything, but you can kind of see on top, and they show you a few of the things.
Well, they have a great description here. Are you ready? This is clothing and shoes dash clothing and shoes Muck Boots FC, all birds, not one word, Adidas shoes, bags, wait, Adidas shoes, and more. So
are there shoes included in this pallet?
let me see, and Adidas shoes.
It'll be fun to have some muscle accompanying me today, and I'm excited.
I see. Well, you brought me.
Yep. Yeah, it's the only reason I need you. Nice. Okay. I want to see this. I want to peek at it. It's really good. Let's get a workout. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
How do I look?
You look so good.
Yeah?
Wait, literally. And the pants. See?
You're like, take off your pants right now.
Right now. Your fee should be, you get to keep one thing that you see.
My feet.
Yeah, what do you think?
I'm gonna say authentic.
You think so? Okay, here we go. Ready?
What?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Is that for real?
Yeah, it's for real. Ballets are really expensive. Look at that. Wealthfront is the app for making the most of your savings. I know we as sellers often have cash on hand that we need to stay liquid so that we can make bulk purchases or buy inventory, but investing short term in the stock market can be really volatile and not the safest place to put it. But then again, most savings accounts have an interest rate of just 0.1%, which is the national average. Wealthfront, on the other hand, has increased the APY on their cash accounts to 2%, which is 20 times the national average. And they plan on continuing to increase it as interest rates rise. There are 0 account fees, that's right, no overdraft fees, no maintenance fees, and it is FDIC insured up to $1 million through partner banks. We as a family have an emergency fund where we want to keep the cash in a savings account and not expose it to the volatility of the stock market, and that makes Wealthfront the perfect place to keep it secure and watch it grow. You can open your free account using the link in my description. Thank you again to Wealthfront for sponsoring this portion of my video, and now let's get back into it. Tej didn't know that I went with David to get a pallet.
I was working downstairs.
Yeah. I spent $2,300 on this pallet.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. So Old Gringo is a good boot brand, and this is Cavender's Old Gringo.
Never heard of it. You got this one.
Yeah, how many do we have?
4.
These retail for probably $250. Resell is between $150 and $200 each.
Okay.
So already,
So
we're doing pretty well. Like there's a listing on Poshmark for $195. These will sell great. So off to a good start. Now I will say with this palette, just as a small spoiler, I don't see a lot of fluff. So everything here, which I love, is sellable. Okay. So yeah, these are the Muck Chore boots. These sell great. Every time we've had them, they have sold very quickly.
$100 for the boot, $900 for shipping.
$9,000 shipping.
Okay.
Okay, so these are steel toe. So these sell new for $160.
All right.
And they resell new for about $100.
There is a mini, Muck Minis.
Oh, these actually also sell well. These, I think the last time I had these, I sold for $40. Oh no, these aren't kids. Okay, well these, I thought like when they were a small box, they were kids. No, these are adult, but they are the low, like an ankle boot. 80 for resell.
Okay.
But retail like 120. Yeah, the Durango boots, I swear we sold like almost this exact same pair before. Brand new, these sell for $150 on eBay, and I think they retail for $200. It's sold at Nordstrom. It's a very, like, but I've picked it up before pre-owned because they can have cute things. Okay, yeah, these are really cute, these little espadrilles. I'm seeing brand new sold comps for like $40. When we were unpacking, David was like, I had a pair of Diadora soccer shoes in like middle school. Okay, check this out. This is crazy. N90, brand new. And then we've got these, which look like a special edition because it says made in Italy on the tongue here. So I saw these on StockX for $355.
Wow.
Yeah. Ooh. So yeah, maybe these are another, I don't know, 150. Ooh, Allen Edmonds. We love Allen Edmonds.
Brand.
Look at these. Dust bag. These are nice too. Look, these are like the Oxford wingtip brocade. Yeah. We love that. I'm thinking this is like around $200. TCX.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Okay. This is a very nice boot brand. These are handcrafted leather boots. Do you want to take a guess?
$200 just because it's
$220.
Oh, look at how good I'm getting.
Allbirds, the Allbirds Tree Skipper in canary yellow. Yeah, I looked at comps. These sell for like new around $60. Probably in this condition $50. This is really exciting.
Really?
Yeah. Stella McCartney is the designer.
Not a lot of effort went into the box design, you know?
You'd think. No, minimalist is
What's the
all
deal?
where it's at.
You'd think,
It's got the dust bag.
All right.
And
nice little dust bag.
so.
Wow, that's the ugliest shoe I've ever seen. With like it's on a lanyard. So it's a shoe on a lanyard.
When a designer item has the spell out, I get very excited because they
that
always sell better. When it has the brand right on, like
nice and big,
nice
all
and
over.
big and clear, these sell for around $500. Yeah, they retail for around $600.
Wow.
But they are in high demand. The comps that I've seen on eBay are between $400 and $500. I get worried about high-end brands because they can take longer to sell. I don't think these will take long to sell at all.
Can we just hold on? Going back, $500 for those.
Yes, you did. You had no reaction.
Who wears? No, I did. I don't believe it.
Okay, I'm seeing prices between $100 and $150.
All right,
So
sick.
the Hover Phantom 2. So let's say 100.
All right, cool.
Yeah. These sell fantastic. They are.
They look Look at that bottom. Look at the sole.
These
What is that design?
Yeah,
Interesting.
this is iconic. So these will sell for like $100 to $150. Native's like kind of like Crocs. They're just like waterproof Dorsey flats.
Huh. It's like
Okay.
a 3D printed shoe.
New, these sell for like $30. Okay. Oh. Do you know what these are?
No.
Yes, you do.
I have no clue. Slide?
What is this?
YZY.
What is that? What does it sound like?
Is that Yeezy?
Yeezy.
No, it's not.
These are Yeezy slides. Do you want these?
And I'm no fashionista, so I couldn't say. They're probably way fashionable. I don't see it, but who knows?
Now, the thing is, Yeezys get faked. Probably it's like one of the most faked items out there.
What does it smell like?
But I did get these authenticated.
The sniff test.
I actually authenticated them when I got this palette. I used the legit app. It was $3 to get it authenticated in 30 minutes.
What a steal!
So what are your thoughts? What do you think?
Let me look. Wait.
What do you think? Fake or real?
Boy, wow, they just look awesome. Like, look at the treads on those things. You could climb a mountain. Now here, that little circle there is like...
The circle means something?
I want to think it's real just because of the chip in the tag.
Mm-hmm. Chip isn't... Yeah, you can see that.
Maybe
I don't know
you would think...
if that shows up on the camera.
Maybe you would think that...
It is real. They're real.
Cool.
Yeah, they're authentic.
Now, are they like the $7,000 Yeezys I saw sell on TikTok?
No. I think these retail for like $300, and I think they resell between $150 and $200.
Okay. Reebok.
Okay, more buckets. Shoes. Oh, like basketball shoes. Here we go. Reeboks aren't great, but of the Reebok variety, these are pretty good. They sell for about $60 on eBay. Okay, so these are called the Terex Soul Stride, and then these are the Cloud Foam Pure. I know the Cloud Foam sell for about $40 from my experience. Predator, these are cleats. Predator Edge. Okay, these sell for about 80 bucks.
Nice.
New. Oh, these sell for $129. Bravada Mid. These are like $60. Okay, the Retro PE5 with the trefoil. These look, yeah, retro. I think that's what they're going for. 100 bucks.
This looks
What's this?
fancy.
Yeah, this does. Okay.
Look at that. It's a
I had no
sleeping
idea what
bag.
this was. No, this is a negative 40-degree suit.
What are you doing for shipping on this one? $4.95?
Brand new. These jackets sell for like $200.
Oh, that's it? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it would have been more.
You thought more?
Yeah.
This is a really nice bag brand, actually. This will sell for like $130.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Flying Circle gear. It's very heavy duty, has a lifetime warranty. It's a military brand. Military backpacks.
Nice.
Concealed carry backpack. This one here.
Oh.
With the pouches. It retails for $175.
Nice.
Peter Millar is a great brand. A really good resale brand. I pick it up all the time pre-owned. So to have it brand new, these retail for $110 each. The men's retails for $158. I think that these 7 pairs will sell for about $65 each.
This is
Yeah.
like a really like the message it's sending just seems very positive.
It is. F your khakis is what it's saying. They retail for $120.
Interesting.
Yep, 75 bucks, 100
yeah.
bucks.
Something in a bag.
Okay, Michael Kors. This is a leather pouch bag. Michael Kors isn't always my favorite to sell. Yeah, this is like 40 bucks maybe.
You like North Face.
I love
That looks
North Face. And this is a great,
very thick.
this is a great jacket. This is a Himalayan puffer, and this will sell for about $200. This will sell great.
Nice.
Yeah. This is a swimsuit cover-up. It retails for $138.
You know, it looks
So
like
this will be
something I
like-
would wear to work,
Yeah, right?
but it's not.
This is like, yeah, this would sell for probably $75.
Oh, cool.
It's great. This is a Tommy Bahama, the Clara dress. Last time I sold a Tommy Bahama dress, it actually sold really fast.
Play it safe.
The Clara dress, nice and
Nice.
long, that'll do good. Okay.
Cool.
And then Frame. Frame is a fantastic brand. I love finding it at the thrift. These shorts retail for $195.
Unreal.
Yeah, these will sell for about $75 probably.
Nice.
Yeah, it's great.
Something.
Renoir tuxedo. This is a tuxedo.
Wow.
Comps don't look that great.
Ah.
So like maybe $60 for this tuxedo.
Man. So this.
Okay.
This is
Have you heard me talk about Bally before or mention Bally?
Bally Total Fitness.
Right, no, not the same. Bally is a designer brand. So let's look inside.
It's even in another bag.
It's in another bag.
I'm gonna guess. Look, you talked it up. If you didn't, if I just pulled this out and looked,
Yeah. What
I would
you
think maybe it's like, I don't know, $100.
Okay, what do you think after me building
But
it up?
you've built it up a ton. I don't want to go too high.
You should. Just guess.
Really?
Yeah, just guess.
Okay. Being how much you've built it up, I kind of want to say 1,000 because I have seen you pull out something that was $1,000 before, and it was an off-white dress
Yeah.
that is still hanging up.
Well, it's gonna take time to sell. Okay, look at the tag. Look at the price tag on that.
$29.50.
Yeah.
Holy crap! I think I just woke the kids up.
This is a leather. It's a leather hand woven like sweatshirt. It's a one of a kind. I don't know what it'll sell for. It'll probably be one of those things that, like the Fear of God jacket, just sits for a while, but it's really
Wow.
cool. And it will have the right buyer come along.
This
sweater.
literally costs more than my car by double.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
It was like
yeah.
80 items.
Was it 80?
75.
75 items,
items.
okay, which is
All right.
low for a pallet. Yeah.
All right. $76.90.
We have a lot of good stuff. I'm excited to list it. I'm excited that the Yeezys were real. I'm excited about this. A lot of good stuff. Definitely, would you say this
Right.
was better or worse than the Shoe Dazzle palette?
Oh my gosh.
That was so depressing. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. If you like these palette videos, just make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely do more. Take care, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will catch you next time.